Telegram, how to block user. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can block user on Telegram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to block user on Telegram, all you have to do is actually open the Telegram application here, and whenever you launch the Telegram app, you can go to that person's profile. So if it is this user that you want to block from inside a group or something like that, you can just go there and then you can tap the three dots option and you'll find the option called block user. So tap and block. It'll ask you for a confirmation, are you sure you want to block it? So tap the block user if you want to block that person. Now I don't have anything against that person really, I'm just showing for the video. If you want to unblock them, you can just go to settings here, go to the option called privacy and security, and go to the blocked user section, and you should be able to find those people as well. And this way you will be able to block user on Telegram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.